75.06%. Kagad ang tinaas. 77.21%, 105.93%. Do you know how much ito? It's about 50 billion. 50. For 3 years, niregaluhan ng House of Representatives ang kanilang mga sarili ng about 50 billion pesos ng pera ng taong bayan, ng pera ninyo. 50 billion during BICA. What exactly they? Bakit bigla kayo niregaluhan nyo ang sarili nyo ng 50 billion during BICA for the past 3 years? Why? Is this not corruption? This is corruption. Present this to foreigners. Foreigners. Tell them, explain this to them. And then do a survey. Foreigners, if they think that this is not corruption, that Martin Romualdez, House of Representatives, wasn't doing, if this is not massive, not just massive, but grave, karumal-dumal na kagutuman. And take note sa budget lang nila to. Hindi pa dito kasama yung AKAP, TUPAD, AIX. Hindi pa dito kasama yung sa mga DPWH contract. Tinanggal nila yung isa kong page, yung for the motherland. Kasi, bago nila tanggalin yun, I was exposing already DPWH contracts awarded to the companies owned by the families and relatives of the sitting congressman. Yung isa naka 1 billion. That's just a DPWH contract for just 1 year. Binura nila. Pinabangladesh yung page ko, yung for the motherland. Nandun yun Nandun lahat. So, tell me, that's why it's an honor to be cited in contempt by a corrupt institution. Because it only proves that we're fighting the good fight. Gagawin nila ang lahat para matapatahimik. Hindi ba? Why? Tanungin yung sarili nyo, why is mainstream media not talking about this? Did you just hear it from me? Etong exposure na to? Say yes or no. Did you just hear it from me? Now, answer me. Why did you just hear it from me and mainstream media did not report it? I thought that they are against corruption. This is blatant corruption. You present this to any non-corrupt countries in the world? Tell me, how many of them would say that this is not corruption? This is corruption. Garumal-dumal, grave. Halang ang bituka. Addict level na corruption. Garapal. So, yun lang. That's my comment. No? It is a badge of honor that a very corrupt institution, the House of Representatives, the most corrupt House of Representatives, perhaps in the last 10 years that we ever witnessed, it is a badge of honor that you cited me in contempt, because it only means that you cannot handle bloggers, netizens, who are actually practicing what every citizen should be doing, and that is scrutinizing everything that you're doing kahit mura-murahin pa kayo. Dahil kitang-kita sa mga dokumento kung paano nyo dinorobo ang pera ng taong bayan in the past 3 years. Uulitin ko, it is a badge of honor to be cited in contempt by a very, very corrupt House of Representatives. The most corrupt House of Representatives perhaps in the last 10 years or 20 years. Because kitang-kita sa mga dokumento kung papaano ninyo dilorobo, ginawang paraan para mangamkam ng pera ng taong bayan during bicameral. Bilyon-bilyon. That's why, kung maninitili lang kayong dilat at hindi kayo mamulat, you will just wake up one day na ang country ninyo, ang ginagawa na, kinukuha na ng harap-harapan sa inyo ng mga congressman ay trilyon. Pag hindi pa rin kayo nagising. Iba ang dilat sa mulat. Pag dilat ka lang, wala na kayong yung ipapamana ninyong bansa sa susunod na henerasyon. It's not going to be a nice Philippines. Do you really think? Ito harap-harapan? What would the future generation tell you? Ikaw, nakikinig sa akin. What would your apo say? Nakita nilang ganitong document. Tatanungin ka nila, Lola, Lolo, bakit hindi ka umalma? Na ang House of Representatives, nireregaluhan nila ang kanilang mga sarili ng ilang bilyon during BICAM na hindi publicly deliberated. Ibang-iba ito sa pinasa nilang budget sa harapan ng publiko during the budget hearing. Bakit hindi ka nagsalita? Bakit mo hinayaan? Na ito ay doroboy nila ang pera ng taong bayan. Bakit ayaw mong gumising? Dahil naghihintay ka ba na yung bansa mo talaga ituluyan ng mawarak dahil sa korupsyon ng mga to? Tapos sila pa yung papalakpakan mo? Isira ulo ka pala, pumunta ka na ng Muntinlupa, palabasin mo na lang lahat ng kriminal dyan, pare-pareho lang din naman yan. So tell me, yung nakita nyo, is that not corruption? That is blatant corruption to the highest level. At budget lang nila yan, tinataasan nila. Budget pa lang nila yan. Nang ganun-ganun na lang. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung tupad, AIX, DPWH, etc. Kaya kawawa ang bayang Pilipinas. Kaya tingnan mo ang Pilipinas. Mukha ba yung bansa na hindi nangungurakot ang mga politiko? Tanungin nyo yung sarili ninyo. Lalo na yung mga nagtatravel sa ibang bansa, no? Tanungin nyo yung sarili nyo, yung bansa mang Pilipinas na yan, mukha ba yung bansa na hindi alam mo, may corruption sa lahat ng bansa. Pero may mga bansa na pag napunta ka sa bansang yan, ramdam na ramdam mo na kinukurap ang pera ng taong bayan at ang mga taong bayan, alam nilang kinukurap ay walang gustong gawin para baguhin ito. That's why it's going to be a vicious cycle and you will leave a Philippines to the future generation much worse than how we found it. Guaranteed yan. Guaranteed yan. Because they can get away with it without any consequences. Ang consequence lang nila social media. Nalalantad sa social media. That's their only consequence. And what they wanted to do, they want to silence social media because they want to cover up ang ginawa nilang pandorobo sa pera ng taong bayan in the last 3 years during the BICAM. And it's documented. I have all the documents. That's why it's a badge of honor that you cite me in contempt, because what would I expect? I don't expect you, House of Representatives, to praise me for revealing how corrupt your institution is in the last 3 years. And that House Speaker, Martin Romualdez, is involved in a bribery case. Okada. 2 buwan pa lang siyang House Speaker. At ito ay nasa kaso. Ito ay nasa desisyon sa isang related na kaso sa Delaware Court sa United States. And you're not doing anything about it. Nakakahiya kayo. Nakakahiya kayo sa mga Pilipinong nagtatrabaho ngayon. Nakakahiya kayo sa mga Pilipinong ipapanganak pa lamang. So, iba ang mulat sa dilat. Ano ka sa dalawa? Dilat or mulat? Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa muli. Ito po si Sas Rogando Sasot, ang inyong